Advertising on Facebook. Facebook offers comprehensive advertising options for brands that enable them to run ads across awareness, consideration, and conversion stages of the buyer's journey, with each stage offering multiple ad types to reach the goal. Facebook ad objectives. Awareness, brand awareness, reach. Consideration, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messages. Conversions, sales, and store traffic. Ad formats. 1. Video, adding movement to your ads can make them more eye-catching in the news feed. 2. Image, drive people to destination websites or apps through high-quality visuals. 3. Slideshow, slideshows combine images or videos, text, and sound. You can include 3 to 10 images or 1 video in a slideshow ad. 4. Collection, encourage shopping by displaying items from your product catalog, customized for each individual. 5. Carousel, carousel ads showcase up to 10 images or videos in a single ad, each with its own link. 6. Instant experience, formerly called Canvas, provides a full screen, mobile optimized experience instantly from your ad. 7. Offers, businesses can offer discounts to their customers using an image, video, collection, and carousel ads. 8. Event responses, brands can drive awareness and boost RSVPs to their events posts using the image and video ads. 9. Lead generation ads enable brands to collect information from users who are interested in their offerings. 10. Page likes ads can be used to drive users to like your page. You can design your page likes ad with a video or an image. What you need to start creating Facebook ads. 1. Your business goal, the reason why you're running the ad. 2. An understanding of who you want to reach. 3. A daily or lifetime budget for your ad. 4. Photos or videos to feature in your ad. For more information on social media service, contact us at Tafok Designs. We will market your product or business to achieve more.